Have you ever wondered why Albert Einstein, a man synonymous with genius, never learned to drive? This enigmatic character, best known for his theory of relativity, had a few quirks that might surprise you. Albert Einstein, a name that radiates brilliance, is a hallmark of scientific achievement. His groundbreaking work in physics has shaped our understanding of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast expanses of space and time. Yet, this intellectual giant, who could grapple with the complexities of quantum mechanics, never mastered the art of driving. That's right, Einstein, the man who revolutionized our understanding of energy, mass, and the speed of light, was more comfortable behind a chalkboard than a steering wheel. But this little tidbit is just a glimpse into the fascinating tapestry of Einstein's life. Beyond the equations and theories, there was a man of unique idiosyncrasies and intriguing personal traits. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more to Albert Einstein than meets the eye. Did you know Einstein didn't speak until the age of 4? This little nugget of information might surprise you, but it's a testament to the unusual upbringing of the genius we know as Albert Einstein. Born in the spring of 1879 in Ulm, Germany, Einstein's early years were marked by a distinct disconnect from conventional schooling. His mind, however, was always buzzing with curiosity. It was as if his silence was his way of observing, absorbing, and making sense of the world around him. When he did begin to speak, his parents were astounded by his logical reasoning and the questions he posed. Despite his struggles with the rigid structure of traditional schooling, one thing that came naturally to him was mathematics. His exceptional mathematical skills were evident from a very young age. This unique blend of curiosity, logic, and mathematical prowess defined Einstein's early years, setting the stage for the extraordinary life that was to come. Einstein's early years were anything but ordinary, paving the way for an extraordinary life. 1905, a year that changed the face of physics, but do you know why? This was the year Albert Einstein, a young physicist, made an indelible impact on science. This period is often referred to as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, a year during which he authored 4 revolutionary papers. Firstly, he proposed the concept of light quanta, or photons, challenging the classical wave theory of light. Secondly, he verified the existence of atoms and molecules with his paper on Brownian motion. Thirdly, he introduced the world to special relativity, shattering the Newtonian concepts of absolute space and time. Lastly, he established the mass-energy equivalence with the most famous equation in physics, E equals mc squared. Each paper, groundbreaking in its own right, fundamentally altered our understanding of the physical universe. Einstein's miracle year truly lived up to its name, marking him as a force to be reckoned with in the scientific community. Ever heard of E equals mc squared? Can you guess who proposed it? That's right, it was Albert Einstein. This equation is the cornerstone of his general theory of relativity, a groundbreaking idea that revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. But let's break it down. In layman's terms, E equals mc squared means that energy, E, is equal to mass, m, times the speed of light, c squared. This suggests that mass and energy are interchangeable, a radical concept at the time. Einstein's theory also predicts phenomena like gravitational waves and black holes, concepts that we're still exploring and proving today. Beyond the realm of science, it has practical applications too, influencing technologies like GPS navigation. The general theory of relativity was more than just a scientific breakthrough. It was a shift in how we perceive our universe and our place in it. Einstein's theory of relativity not only reshaped our understanding of the universe, it also shaped our everyday lives. Despite facing political and personal turmoil, Einstein never let adversity dampen his scientific spirit. As the clouds of fascism began to gather over Europe in the early 30s, Einstein, a Jew by birth, found himself in the crosshairs. With an astute understanding of the looming danger, he made a life-altering decision to move to the United States in 1933, accepting a position at the newly formed Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. This period marked a significant shift in Einstein's focus. He was drawn into the global political turmoil inadvertently through his work on the Manhattan Project. Although he was not directly involved in the project, his letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1939 played a crucial role in initiating the development of the atomic bomb. Despite this, he was a staunch pacifist, advocating for peace and global disarmament throughout his life. In his later years, Einstein became increasingly engaged in social issues. He emerged as a vocal advocate for civil rights, condemning racism and supporting the civil rights movement in the US. His commitment to social justice extended to his support for the creation of the State of Israel, although he declined the offer to become its president, stating his inclination towards theoretical physics. In the realm of science, Einstein's later years were filled with tireless efforts to develop a unified field theory, although success eluded him. Despite this, his work on relativity and quantum mechanics continues to shape our understanding of the universe. Even after his death in April 1955, Einstein's influence endures. His theories continue to be tested and confirmed, and his philosophical musings on science and life continue to inspire. His iconic equation, E+mc2, is synonymous with scientific brilliance, and his image as the wild-haired professor is etched into global pop culture. Einstein's legacy extends far beyond his scientific contributions, reminding us that even amidst adversity, the pursuit of knowledge and justice must continue. So who was Albert Einstein really? Well, beyond the iconic mop of white hair and the twinkling eyes, Einstein was a man of profound curiosity and relentless imagination. His life was a reflection of his unique approach to science and his deep love for understanding the universe. He was a man who played the violin to think and who sailed to unwind. He was a pacifist, a civil rights advocate, and a nonconformist. Einstein's contributions to science are unparalleled, revolutionizing the world with his theories of relativity. His work has shaped our understanding of the universe from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, but his influence extends beyond the realm of science. His philosophical insights, his love for learning, and his enduring sense of wonder have inspired generations. Albert Einstein, a man of many talents, a beacon of genius, and a testament to the power of curiosity and imagination.